Hey everybody, Zach Wolf here with another great Top 5 Tuesday. This week on Top 5 Tuesday, it's the top 5 key issues in departing employee cases. And just coincidentally, tomorrow I will be talking about that topic at lunch for the Houston Bar Association Litigation section right here at McCormick and Schmick's. So if you're a Houston area lawyer, go to the link below and you can register for my talk and get more information about these key issues. Issue number 5. Did the employee take trade secrets from the employer? Often the issue there is whether the employee has a customer list or information about prices and whether that information constitutes a trade secret. That's usually a fact-intensive issue. Issue number 4, does the employee have an enforceable non-compete? I use a rule of thumb here that I call Wolf's first law of Texas non-compete litigation, and you can say it in 7 words, which are, you can't take your customers with you. Now that's not always the case, but it's a pretty good general rule for non-competes. Issue number 3, did the employee violate a fiduciary duty owed to the employer? Now you may be asking, does an employee have a fiduciary duty to the employer? Well, the answer is sort of. Texas courts have said that the employee has a sort of limited fiduciary duty. The typical issue here is whether the employee diverted customers to a competitor while still working for the first employer. Issue number 2. Did the employee violate a confidentiality agreement? Most employment agreements have a confidentiality clause, and it usually says that every kind of information the company has is confidential information and the employee is not allowed to use it. So what if the employee leaves and then uses information that the agreement defines as confidential, but it's not really that confidential? That's always a tricky issue. But issue number 1 has to be preservation of ESI, electronically stored information. Preservation of evidence is usually a pretty big deal in a departing employee case. A lot of times there are questions about whether the employee, emailed herself company documents right before leaving, or plugged in a portable hard drive to the employer's computer system right before leaving and downloaded a bunch of files. You often have issues like that, so preserving evidence is usually a key issue in this kind of litigation. So those are the key issues in departing employee litigation, the top 5. I hope that was helpful for you. Hey, thanks for watching.